going to be making some premix cookies.
What kind of cookies is it?
Chocolate chips.
Okay. Okay, show me the ingredients.
First, we need 250 grams of baking flour. Second, we need 250 grams of sugar and brown sugar.
All together?
Yes.
Mixed? Okay. So it's 50-50, right? Consistency?
Yes.
Then?
Next, we need 138 grams of butter, 90 grams of eggs, and 185 grams of chocolate chips. We have a special guest here.
Hi!
Hi.
What's your name?
Zyo.
Say hello properly.
Hello. Let's start. First, we need to pour the sugar with the butter. Come on, pour the sugar. Now for the butter. Make sure it's melted. Let's mix. Now we pour the eggs and mix it together. Let's pour. Once you mix it evenly, we're gonna pour the baking flour. Once the mixture is nice and even, now we add the chocolate chips. Cookies. Wow. Mix, mix. It smells so good. Mix it nice and even. It's looking good now. Oh, hey. Now let's put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. While we wait, ask your parents to turn on the oven for 180 degrees Celsius. Let's mold them. Grab a piece.
You're just gonna use hands?
Yes. And make it into a ball. Now, make sure to put baking sheets. Remember, cookies, you have to do social distancing. Right, Zyo? Yes. These are done, and now let's put it in the oven. But be careful. Make sure your parents help you. Whoa. So cool. Oh, hey! Let's wait for the cookies to get ready. Let's see.
Not done yet?
Yes, it's not going to be done. That deliciousness. Yes! The cookies are ready!
We're gonna open
It's
it.
so big and delicious.
Make way! Letta, look! Oh my god! They don't social distancing enough.
Yep.
Look. And whose fault is that?
Ours. But at least they're fat and delicious. I hope so.
You think so?
I hope so. It smells so good. It smells deliciously awesome.
Okay. Whoa!
Looks amazing. Zio's gonna try it.
You gonna want to try it?
Yes.
Let's just wait for another 15 minutes till it
Cool.
cool down a bit. Okay? Okay?
Okay. Bye.
You don't mind waiting, do you?
Yes, but it smells so delicious. It's time for Zia to taste it. Is it good?
Yes.
Really? Oh. So, please try this recipe.
Successful!
Yay!
Really?
Yeah. Yes.
Makan.
It's yummy. So that's it. Let's end this video. Make sure to like, subscribe. We'll see you all next time. Bye.
Bye.